Jumping jacks. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, stop. Now, I'm going to tell you a little trick when you do your jumping jacks. Remember how you always want to keep your knees over your ankles, and you always want to keep your knees pointing the same direction as your toes, okay? So, if I'm standing like this, can you see what my knees are doing?
Going in.
My knees are going in. If my feet are going the same way, well, at least they're going the same direction, but are they over my ankles or over my toes?
Over your toes.
Now, most people who do jumping jacks do them like this. We want to do our jumping jacks so that your knees stay over your ankles and pointing the same direction as your toes. So when you jack, I want you to put your feet forward and your knees right on top of your ankles. Okay? So your jumping jack looks like this instead of like this. Ready? Let's try 10 more. Let's do one slow, jump out and hold it. Ready? Jump out and hold. Where's your knees? Check your knees. Your knees should be bent. Bend. Bend your knees. And right on top of your ankles. So you have to kind of move them out a little. Good. Okay, and jump in. Ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice.